Just one here. You know, this is not raining season. Usually get enough of these plants during rainy season. Take a screenshot of this wonderful, beautiful, and amazing looking plants. Look at it, look at it. I love it. I love nature. There's this cray beauty that nature used to have. Look at it now. Look how it's looking beautiful. Look at it. Screenshot though. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot now. Have you taken screenshots? Don't tell me you don't know this plant. Screenshot it, please. Screenshot it now. Screenshot it now. There is a testimony I received in my last video.